Hi guys, it's me Chloe, and today we're doing All About Me video. And my dad's back here doing the questions.
Yeah, so Chloe wrote down a bunch of questions here that I'm going to be reading. And this video is like years in the making. Tell them what video inspired you to do this.
So a couple years back, Carson did this video, and I really wanted to do it, and I asked him like a couple days after, and then he's like, oh, we can do that soon.
It's just, you know, 4 years later and babies, but now we're celebrating because there's a huge momentous occasion happening. What is that?
Well, on Tuesday I'm turning 10.
10 years old. Can you guys believe it? So let's get started. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Question number 1. What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Parent Trap.
Tell us more about that movie. Why do you like it?
I like how the twins like meet at camp, and like it's like really, there's like some funny parts.
Like what? What's the funniest part?
When the dad like falls in the water.
That was pretty funny. Okay, and now, ready for question 2? When is your birthday?
Tuesday, October 24th, 2013.
Number 3, what is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show, well, my favorite TV show probably will have to be The Crazy Middles or Family of Pack. And that's a YouTube channel. I really love them. I hope you guys watch this.
That'd be cool, wouldn't it? Yeah, comment below if you're watching.
or Daily Lumps.
Okay, number 4, I like this question. What do you like about yourself?
I like that I have like a kind personality, and I'm like happy, and I like my hair.
Yes, your hair is super, super cute and curly. I love it. Number 5, what do you like about having a big family?
I like having a big family because you don't always if you want to play with someone, you won't be like alone.
Yes, lots of options here. Yeah, Chloe's the only girl besides mom.
Yeah.
Okay, number 6. What are your favorite foods?
Well, I like I like a lot. I like Mexican food.
Mm-hmm.
Seafood.
Seafood's good, yep. Anything else? What about your, I'm gonna add on to that. What's your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is Chipotle count?
Mm-hmm.
Chipotle, Cheese Factory, and yeah.
Okay, so number 7 is following up on number 5. What do you not like about having a big family?
Well, sometimes like when you just want the house to be all quiet, like it's like loud.
Tell me about it.
Well, sometimes the boys are annoying.
Number 8, what grade are you in?
I'm in 4th grade.
And number 9, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Why?
I just like it, but well, actually it's light blue.
Yeah, light blue. Number 10, do you want more siblings?
Yeah, probably like one more.
Where would it fit though?
Oh yeah, we'll have to get a new car.
I don't think they make 9-seaters. I'd have to get a bus. Could you want another brother?
No.
What would you want?
Sister.
Okay, and then our last question. What are you doing for your birthday? And you have so much stuff for your birthday. Yeah, just crazy. This might take 10 minutes to explain.
Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do on Tuesday is bring cupcakes to school. And then I have a conference, and then soccer practice. And then on Friday, when we don't have school, I'm gonna go with mom and get pedicures, get my nails done. Cheese Factory. Yeah, Cheese Factory.
Cheesecake Factory.
Cheesecake Factory.
Mm-hmm.
And then the Arwood Mall and like shopping and stuff. And then on November 11th, I'm gonna go out with Nana and go out to lunch and go shopping to buy new outfits.
So fun. Is there anything else you want to say to everyone?
Comment down below if you're Crazy Middles, Family Fun Pack, or do we do one more question?
What?
What's your favorite YouTubers?
Well, you kind of answered that, but
Oh.
okay, so Chloe wants one more question. So, what is your favorite YouTuber?
Crazy Middles, Family Fun Pack, J House Out, Crazy Pieces, Daily Bumps, Ellie and Jared, Melissa and Alex's channel,
Pointing at myself.
and then one more. Okay, I forgot. But Crazy Middles, you need to watch this, please, and comment down below and say happy birthday, Chloe. Thanks for watching. Comment down below, press the subscribe button, and then give the thumbs up. Bye, guys.